I wish I knew what's gonna happen in today's video. We're just gonna see what happens. Well, to start off, I'm sorry, I have sad news. The sad news is my lithium iron phosphate batteries are on the last legs. We're reading last rites to them right now. Apparently, after all my trials with them lately, I don't know what caused it, but the end result was the batteries seemed like they were getting a charge, but the capacity was way down. I ran my fan for 3 hours, the batteries were dead, and the BMS would shut off the batteries. Well, I tried to do an experiment where I took the BMS off and still ran the stuff, and I watched the batteries go down to pretty much really low voltage where it was just the fan was struggling to do anything. I've tried charging it with the shore charger with the Noco Genius 15 amp charger, and it would charge the batteries within 5-6 minutes, showing that the capacity is way down. So I know when to bail out. So what I decided to do yesterday, I put in an order for a new battery through Amazon. I'm gonna link the battery down below. I've heard nothing but good things about this battery. Will Prowse on his channel actually reviewed the batteries, and the batteries on Amazon are rated 5 stars. The battery that I got is 200 amp hour. So that'll be sufficient for now because I only had 280 amp hours. I was gonna go up to the 300 amp hour, but 1200 seems like a lot to drop on a lithium battery. Today, I might just do windows if I get to that, but today the main object is to cut all the wood for the bed frame. And hopefully we get the bed frame done today, and then I could throw the mattress in and I'll feel a little more calm. My battery system is not supposed to come here until Monday at the earliest from what I'm seeing so far. So I'm stuck here in Mississippi a little while longer. But I'm going to try to get out there on the road as soon as possible. Don't mind the fan playing right now because the fan is on, but I just cut off all those brackets off of my walls. Spin around here. Like you can see where the brackets were. I can't believe they cut holes through there and then tack welded everything, but now all those brackets are gone and we're ready for other things in here. Well, I cut off all the brackets and the sun is way too hot here. I got all the wood back there ready to make the bed frame, but it's too hot. I don't want to sit here and cut all of it, and I feel all itchy from all that metal coming off of the brackets. So what I'm gonna do is wait for the sun to dip down behind the trees because it's right on top of us right now. Got the solar panels trying to charge what's left of the batteries. It's giving the batteries a couple amps right now, probably close to 3 amps. But I don't know if the batteries will take a full charge anymore. But at least it's running the fan and keeping the van cool right now. So we'll see what goes on in the future. Right now though, gonna go dip inside here and try to cool down. I'm in really good sun here. And I see that I'm only getting like 2.5 amps delivered to my batteries right now. I have 200 watts of solar on top. I should be getting a little more than that, you think, with direct sun right now. I'm wondering if that accident that I was with the canopy the other day, if that damaged one of the solar panels. And I might be only delivering half of my solar right now. I don't feel like jumping on the top of the van right now because it is really hot. Maybe tomorrow. So I'm cutting my bed right now. 2x4s are going to be for the sides. The bed height from head to foot is 70 inches. 71 for the futon mattress, but I need to leave a room for the walls and stuff like that. Yep, that match is 70 inches right there. So we're going to plug in the saw, we're going to cut this piece. Remember your safety glasses. From here, you can see the bed shape. That's what I did so far. Now I gotta screw these in right here. Boom, 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 boom. Hopefully it mounts squarely. Maybe I'll take a board and true it up that way. But put some wood screws. I think 2 wood screws in each end and a little wood glue. I think that'll do it. So again, I'm gonna put 2 wood screws in each side. That should hold it. Also some Gorilla wood glue. And then that way it'll be secure as one whole piece and stuff like that. Well, right now I can't even find the Gorilla glue. This sucks. I just created the freaking platform. I wanted to screw it in. I have the wood screws inside. They'll go there. I have enough for at least the frame right now. But I really need the Gorilla glue to make it freaking tight that, you know, when the shaking happens, the screws aren't all popping out. So I'm gonna go ahead and check that out right now. So a couple of insane things. Since I can't do that, I'm gonna cut the slats that go across and then maybe the support that supports underneath the slats. But what I was looking at really weird, and I'm not joking about this, meaning that this place might be haunted. I'll show you how haunted it is. When I was cutting, you saw me cutting here. No one walked through. And down there, you see a footstep. It is a right shoe imprint. But as you can see from my shoes, try to show you again. It can't match. That is insane. These are 16-foot boards. They're not the easiest to work with, but it was the most economical to make the least waste by doing 56-inch slats that go across the bed, and then they'll be supported underneath. Safety goggles. Safety first. Well, that didn't go all the way through. Why not? I don't understand. I don't want to flip it over. Is there a lock on it? It's hitting a lock of some sort. I think it's this. I think. No. Maybe it's the one in the back? I don't know. this last board, this last board should cover everything. And then I got this 4x4 that's going to be the post. Tomorrow I'm going to assemble everything. Yeah, so you can see the platform right there. One of the supports fell underneath, but basically it's a square platform. It can go all the way to the edge, a little breathing room in it, and then 4 posts will go underneath it, which the post will have probably 3.5 inches inside the platform. So the platform should be about 25 inches. So we might have to actually take off a little bit off of each, but we'll start with 4 pieces to start with. Well, I tell you what, I think that's all I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna wrap it up. Sun is starting to set. I gotta still go to Walmart. I'm gonna get another bolt of fabric because I want to cover the other side of my blackout curtains with something I want to look at every day. So I want to tell you, thank you for all my new subscribers. I see new subscribers every day. I'm very happy for that. You're gonna have fun joining me on this journey. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and even hit that bell. You'll know when videos come out. And always come up to my videos and put a like. That makes me smile. And if you leave a comment, I laugh a lot. Thank you for watching.